Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily make a copy on your Canon PIXMA TS5150. So first we got the printer right here. Now we need to open up this little thing, the dashboard. And now we need to place our paper right here. So as you guys can see, we need to place it with the arrow right here. You guys will see it. And as you guys can see, we need to match the A4 or either the letter. And now we can close it and we can start scanning on our screen. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.